So we're going to talk now about gutters and other collateral damage that may have been paid for by an insurance company as it pertains to roofing claims from storms or whatever. So basically what happens is they come out, they give you a RCV, replacement cash value, on your roof. Let's say that's $3,000, and on your gutters, let's say that's $500. That's not proportional, but we're just using that for the sake of this demo. So basically what the insurance company comes out and they say, okay, first of all, your deductible on this thing is $500. So we're going to set this over here. And then we're going to give you the depreciated value. So we're going to pull out some depreciation money, right? So we're going to pull out $1,500 of your roof and say 200 of your gutters. And we're going to hold that back for depreciation. And we're going to give you this. This is your ACV, actual cash value. So they're going to give you this money. You're going to take that, give it to a contractor. They do the work for the roof. Let's say they're only doing the roof right now. And you have this other money here. So what's going to happen is you're going to then the roofing company is going to turn in an invoice for the roof, and they're going to come back and they'll say, okay, well, you got the roof, so there's the rest of that money. But you did not turn an invoice for the gutters. So we're going to hold on to the depreciation. As you never turn an invoice, we're not going to replace the back end of that money. So they're going to hold on to that. So now it's time to settle up with the roofer. Of course, you still have your deductible left. So you have this minus the $500, but lo and behold, you actually got a little bit of money on the front end of the gutter work that you chose not to do. So that's going to soften the blow a little bit. So instead of having to pay back $500, you already had $300. Now you're just down to $200. So it's just a way to kind of buffer that. Now here's the drawback. Because the insurance company, in their mind, they've already paid for your gutters. You didn't turn an invoice, so you didn't get the back end of that. But at that point, without an invoice, they're not going to pay for those gutters a second time. So if another storm comes along later, beats up those gutters, if you never turn an invoice, as far as they're concerned, they've paid you for those gutters. So that's just the risk that you take on that. But that is a legal way that you can kind of soften the blow a little bit and still make sure that you're paying your deductible as you should, and just kind of financially kind of lighten that blow a little bit.